skies, a lonely bird begins to rise above the mountains, wild and high. It paints its dreams across the sky. No chains can hold its fearless flight. It greets the golden morning light. Each beating wing, each soaring word sings freedom like the morning bird. Beyond the clouds, beyond the rain, no fear, no sorrow, no more pain. I'm free as the morning bird, carried by the wind unheard, over oceans, over seas, dancing with the gentle breeze. No walls to climb, no roads to find, only hope within my mind. I spread my wings for all the world to see, forever flying, forever free. The rivers whisper to the trees, the forest sings in melodies. Each heart